Hey friends, if Windows Defender Protection Definition Update failed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. But before we proceed with the resolutions, you need to understand one thing, that there is no specific resolution to this. So we'll try the most extreme ones at the first stage. The first one is to reset Windows Update components. I have a script here. I will share it in the description section of the video. Simply copy paste it to the command prompt window. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Paste it and hit enter. Now here's one thing that it does. It will restart the services. It will delete the cache associated with Windows Update. It will re-register the DLL files, and then it's done. And the second solution will be to install updates from the Microsoft Update Catalog. So open Microsoft Update Catalog in the search bar of your browser. Go to catalog.update.microsoft.com. Search for the latest month and year in the MMYYYY format. So it's 072024 and hit enter. Okay. And then you will have to download the latest update. And then click on the MSU file here. And finally click on open. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.